Hi, this is David with eTradingStrategies.com. We're looking to take a long normal system entry. That's one of the three trading strategies that I teach in my system. And we're looking over on the left-hand side of the chart. We are coming out of no zone. No zone is when we do not take normal system entries, and now we're in a position that we do want to take normal system entries. So we're using Pro Indicator version 2. If we get a signal, we're going to jump in here at about 1141.75. I'm going for a 5-tick profit because coming at a no zone, that first NSC tends to be a higher probability winner. Let's jump right in. Okay, we're in 1141.75. Okay, and over on my short-term chart to the right, we could get an EET signal to the short side, but that would be an invalid signal because the NSC long here is a higher probability trade that it's going to move up, so we wouldn't want to take a short EET against it. Okay, so if you're using Pro Indicator version 2, you've got some back coloring that will show you where no zone is, where no zone ends, because it shows you a dark shaded color, and then when it turns back white, you know you're out of no zone. You also see we have a pullback trade there with a little hash mark. That was a winning trade as well. We could have grabbed that trade, but we grabbed the NSC instead for coming out of no zone. So let's go ahead and back up the chart here and show you what the no zone looks like. And if you don't have Pro Indicator version 2, that's okay. Okay, we still teach you all the rules with the system. Okay, and there's that EET, by the way, that we would not take, okay, because we believe this trade's going long. So let's go back here and show you. Here's the no zone back coloring, and we're now out of no zone, so we want to be long, and we avoided this short trade because that little red hash mark is a stop loss on this short EET. So we would not take that because we're coming out of no zone. See that right there? It's already stopped out. So the rules coming out of no zone tell us to take the long trade and avoid the short trade. So the rules already saved us a losing trade there. So now hopefully this trade will continue up and make a nice profit. And because it's coming out of no zone, I'm going to try to get an extra tick out of the trade. I could go for extra 2 ticks or 3 ticks, but I'm going to be conservative and just go for an extra tick. So, and also if it touches 4 ticks profit, which would be 1142.75, I'll take my stop loss to entry 1141.75. Okay, and of course I teach all this in my trading system. Pro Indicator version 2 is a very nice software program to complement the system. It helps you. It knows the entries. It knows the no zones. It shows you when to cancel pullbacks. It's not needed, but it really shortens the learning curve and makes your trading a little easier because it's there plotting out signals for you. I use it every day. Now that I have it, I don't want to not have it. So nice little tool to use. So we're just going to kick back, let this trade cook. And again, this is one of my favorite NSCs here when we're coming out of that no zone. And again, you saw how to avoid a short trade just because of the strength probability of this NSC coming out of no zone. And I know a lot of this is redundant because we've done a lot of these videos. And there we go, there's 4 ticks. We moved our stop loss up, but we keep getting requests to keep doing more and more live videos. You guys want to see a real trading account on real time, so we continue to do these videos. Okay, we're at profit here at 1143, trading live, just trying to get filled. So we'll just wait, see if we can get filled, and if we do, boom, got a nice 5-tick profit coming out of no zone. Nice little trade. So even though I did get my one and done today, I continue to try to do a video here and there when I have time because of all the positive response we receive from you from coming to our blog and viewing the videos. You want to see more, so we continue to do as much as we can. For a while there I had to stop because I was doing training videos for my Dow series and new training videos for my new members. I revamped all my videos, so that kind of took a lot of time away, but now we're kind of back in the groove. So volume's kind of low. We've been kind of consolidating. I believe this market's going to start breaking down soon. We're at a pretty high level, 1143. Volume's been very low. Beginning of January here, I believe this market's going to start breaking down and retesting a little bit, and I should say correcting from the big run up since March of 09. But in any event, we are long, trying to jump off of the profit. You can see Pro Indicator just plotted a pullback trade. That would be the entry down there if you wanted to re-enter a long position. Of course, we're already long, so we have to disregard that. So we'll give it another shot here, see if it can bounce up. Now if it comes back down and we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We did have 4 ticks of profit, but I'm trying to get the extra tick because it's coming out of no zone. So we are getting low on video time here, so we're probably going to have to pause or stop this video here shortly if we don't get filled up here. See if we can give it one more shot, see if we can jump off at a profit and we can stop this video. So it may stop abruptly, as I know we're getting very low on time. Alright, it's back up to 43, moving around here. Okay, we're off. Let's go ahead and stop the video. That's a NSE coming out of no zone, and we avoided an EET as well.